Hello, bachcho. Let's read the given question, and the question state comment on the spontaneity of a reaction at a constant temperature and constant pressure. When the conditions are the first, del H is less than 0 and del S is more than 0. Second condition, del H is more than 0 and del S is less than 0. Third condition, del H is less than 0 and del S is less than 0. Fourth condition, del H is more than 0 and del S is also more than 0. So these are the following conditions and we have to comment on these conditions. Will the reaction spontaneous or non-spontaneous? हमें इस given question में पूछा गया है कि at constant temperature and constant pressure पे इन फॉलोइंग कंडीशंस पे हमारी रिएक्शन जो होगी वो स्पॉन्टेनियस होगी या नॉन स्पॉन्टेनियस होगी. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स चेक द की कंसेप्ट. की कंसेप्ट is conditions of spontaneity and it depends upon the Gibbs free energy reaction. ओके, सो सबसे पहले हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने से पहले देखेंगे कि व्हाट इज द गिब्स फ्री एनर्जी और कब हमारी रिएक्शन स्पॉन्टेनियस होनी चाहिए. सो द इक्वेशन इज del G which denote Gibbs free energy or the change in energy is equals to del H minus T del S. So basically it depends upon this, and when the our del G become negative because of these conditions, हमारे del H और del S की conditions पे जब हमारा del G negative होता है तो it favors the spontaneous reaction and when the del G is positive it favors non-spontaneous reaction. So first हम given conditions के according देखेंगे. हमें first condition given है. In the first condition del H is less than 0 and del S is more than 0. Del H is less than 0 and del S is more than 0. Del H is less than 0, it means this is negative and here del S is positive. हमारा del H क्या है यहाँ पे change in enthalpy or the energy factor, and the del S is the entropy which represent randomness, and del H is enthalpy which also represent the energy factor. जब हमारा del H नेगेटिव होगा और del S पॉजिटिव होगा तो इस केस में क्या रिएक्शन स्पॉन्टेनियस होगी. सो द थिंग इज दैट तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, बोथ एनर्जी फैक्टर and the randomness means entropy and randomness means entropy factor favors the process. यहाँ पे ये दोनों ही कंडीशन पूरे प्रोसेस को फेवर करती हैं. फेवर द प्रोसेस and as a result hence the reaction will be spontaneous, will always be spontaneous. Hence reaction will be spontaneous in this case. Now the second condition, the given second condition is del H is more than 0 and del S is less than 0. Del H is more than 0 and del S is less than 0. And del S is less than 0. It means here del H is positive and del S is negative. Now in this case, इस second condition में क्या होगा? Both factors opposes the process. Here both factors, this energy factor and the randomness factor, both factors opposes the process. Here opposes the process in which results, hence reaction would be always non-spontaneous, because दोनों ही factor यहाँ पे oppose कर रहे हैं, hence the reaction would be always non-spontaneous. Non-spontaneous. So, इस केस में ये नॉन स्पॉन्टेनियस की तरफ फेवर करेगा, ना कि स्पॉन्टेनियस की तरफ. यहाँ पे हमारी क्या होगी रिएक्शन? नॉन स्पॉन्टेनियस. Now the third case is, now the third condition, del H is less than 0 and even the del S is also less than 0. So the third condition is del H is less than 0 and del S is also less than 0. It means del H is negative and del S is also negative. Now in this condition, energy factor favor but randomness factor opposes. Means this del H is favor the process, energy factor favors the process, it favored the process, but randomness factor means the entropy, but the randomness factor opposes the process. It opposes the process. So in this case यहाँ क्या होगा? जब हमारा एनर्जी फैक्टर तो फेवर कर रहा है, बट जो रेंडमनेस है, जो एंट्रोपी है, मींस डेल एच अपोज कर रहा है, डेल एच फेवर कर रहा है. तो इस केस में क्या होगा? फॉर प्रोसेस टू बी स्पॉन्टेनियस, इस कंडीशन में प्रोसेस को स्पॉन्टेनियस होने के लिए, फॉर प्रोसेस to be spontaneous, for process to be spontaneous, opposite factor means this Dallas, opposite, this opposing factor should be smaller. ये छोटा होना चाहिए जो opposing factor है. It means T del S is less than del H, hence reaction is spontaneous. Spontaneous at low temperature and non-spontaneous at high temperature. Now in the fourth case, it is asking Del H is more than 0 and the del S is also more than 0. It means both are positive. And del S is also more than 0. It means del H is positive and del S is also positive. So इस केस में क्या होगा? Energy factor opposes, but randomness favors. Randomness favor the reaction और favor the process. So यहाँ पर होगा जब हमारा T del S की value should be more than the del H, and in this case रिएक्शन कब स्पॉन्टेनियस होगी? रिएक्शन स्पॉन्टेनियस होगी जब हमारा स्पॉन्टेनियस के लिए यहाँ पे हाई टेम्परेचर पे हमारी रिएक्शन स्पॉन्टेनियस होगी एंड नॉन स्पॉन्टेनियस होगी लो टेम्परेचर पे इन दिस कंडीशन एट लो टेम्परेचर. होप आपको ये समझ आया हो. होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट वेल. थैंक यू.